So, good afternoon to everyone. Can I know how many of you will submit your assignment with using AutoCAD or any other software? How many of us are there who will submit? Yeah, yeah. Please ask Rakesh Kundan and six. Yes, please. What do your query? Please ask Ankit Sarkar, Nilesh Kumar. Yeah, please. What do you want to know?
No, sir, we are
Raising
using
hand
No
for
queries
for
are there.
AutoCAD
sir.
software.
Okay, so total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Open queue. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 9 persons are there, right? Utkarsh Raj, Rakesh Kundan, Subramanyam, Shubham Tiwari, Avantika, Ankit Sarkar, Ritika, Dhruv, Krishnam Nilesh, right? Okay, fine. So you people directly you can mail to your this one. I mean, direct sheet you can mail to me. For you, there is no question of compiling all those things. You can directly send that one. One again, Deepu Kumar, yeah, Deepu Srivastava. Deepu's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay, fine. So one again, yeah, Deepu Kumar, while lower, I mean, okay, withdraw your Deepu Kumar Srivastava. Deepu.
Yes, sir.
So now, earlier you told that, okay, why it is written here lower? Deepu Kumar Srivastava. In the chat box, against your name, it is lower. Means you have withdrawn. No, here your hand is
No,
there.
sir. My
Okay,
hand is
fine.
still there.
Yeah, okay, fine. Navneet? Navneet?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you will also submit, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So all together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11s are there. Fine, no issue. So I think you can submit within 2 or 3 days. Right? So have you decided when you will submit? Have you decided you
Other
people?
subjects are also there, sir. So we can submit, but we have other assignments and the
I don't
deadlines
think
are
so.
pretty
No,
near.
I don't think so. You have assignment in other subject. In which subject you have
Sir, we
assignments?
have
Tell me.
So
Tell
we
me.
have assignments in electronics, ecology,
Electronics.
then the
Electronics.
electrical.
Yes, sir.
Electronics. Who is your teacher in electronics?
Ajay Kumar, sir.
Ajay Kumar. Okay.
So 5 assignments pending in electronics, and then 6 lab works. Then same 5 lab works for electrical and assignment in electrical also. Then
So
ecology
okay,
presentation.
listen. My assignments are due with you from the very first class, isn't?
Actually, we thought it was for practice, so we did it roughly, sir, in a copy. It wasn't like accurate, hand drawn, like roughly.
No. Okay. So okay. So then I think today is 19th, right? So before 15th, you submit your assignment sheet, right? A particular day, maybe, I mean, it is, let me tell you. So you have the exam from 19th. And today is, so by 17 or 18, you submit to me, right? By 18, you submit your assignment sheet to me. Okay, then fine. Now is yeah.
The .dwg format.
Any format.
Or we will convert it into PDF and then send.
Yeah, that will be more better, na?
Okay, sir.
You can submit in any format, but okay, fine. So now we should start our today's class. Though some other topics are there, but due to time constraint, I'm going to move another topic, and that is the real objective of our drawing is. So why we have studied this subject? So this is the objective: reading and conversion of views. There are two situations when we have one image. Either it can be your own original thoughts, and from there you can create an object. Or second situation is, you have seen some object, some typical object, and you want to develop that particular object. So the word is reading and conversion of views. Sometimes top view and front view is given to you. You have to convert them into actual figure, 3D picture, pictorial view, or sometimes pictorial view is given to you. With the help of pictorial view, you want to make its plan, elevation and other things, because more details are possible with different views. In pictorial view study we have seen, when we are talking about isometric projection, we do not represent dotted line, we do not show hidden lines. Whereas in other type of projection we have seen that hidden portions are represented by the hidden lines. So sometimes hidden lines are problem for you. Sometimes due to unavailability of hidden lines, complete definition of the object or interior detail of the object may not be clearly defined. So neither I can leave those dotted lines, nor I will like to have a more number of dotted lines. And so we have to make a trade-off, a compromise. Or as I said, sometimes a product is available, developed by somebody else, and I want to develop that also. I want same product with my own concept. Geometry will be like that, but whatever the other characteristic of that product, it should have my own trade, my own technique, and looks, geometry will remain same, casing will remain same. So on that background, one of the objective of engineering graphics is why we have read this subject. Reading of the pictorial representation of a given object may be real or maybe its imagination, and its a conversion to multi-views. So real purpose of this drawing is to convert a 3D object into orthographic projection, or orthographic projection into 3D position. Operator who is working on a machine needs this one. Customer who is going to use prefer this one. And being a designer, you should be available for both. As per the requirement, you will see you will give this one to the customer before final product, and once he agree with your geometry, with your product, you will give this information, detailed information of the project to the worker or the operator working on your machine. He will convert, with the help of this information, he will convert the object for you. For the example, let's say this is an object, this one in middle. In the simplicity, I can say it is a staircase. So this is ground floor, first stair, second stair, and so on. It can be like that. So this is your real geometry. You want to convert them, or you want to get its top view, front view, side view. Or another situation is, these three figures are there. With the help of these three figures, you have to do this one. So if let this figure is with me, if I want to draw its top view, this will be the top view. Because this line will coincide with this one, I will see simply two rectangles. And same thing in the front view, I will see this face and this face. In the top view, I have seen this face and this face. In the front view, this face and this face is visible. and in the side view, this L structure is visible. So your objective is either with the help of these three figures, you draw this one, or concept in your mind, it should be within you that what type of product or what will be my final product. Or this one the case, with this one, if you want to certain modification, this object was available with you, you want to do certain modification, accordingly you will convert top view, front view, side view, and that interior detail what you want to add can be incorporated here. So my real objective is, if a 3D image is there, what will be the interior, what will be its 2D dimension, and if 2D drawings are available with you, I should able to know, I should have sufficient information so that I can read the geometry, I can able to conceive the geometry, what will be its. So this is our objective. Let's say if I see another figure, this is the figure, one object is there. If I draw its top view and front view and so many, I mean all sides one can see, and when you will able to see from the different direction, the same image, same object has a different image. And I should be, here I have drawn all this figure to know why it is necessary to select such, I mean when I am going to draw the front view, which side should be my front view. Your objective is to have maximum details of the object in a given drawing, whether it is top view, front view or side view. Whatever you are drawing, your objective is to have maximum representation of the object in that particular. Now you see here, I mean A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 figures are there. In out of this 6 figure, one will be front view, one will be top view, one will be side view. So which combination is more, figure has more information? That I have to decide, and accordingly front view, top view will be there. So when I see this figure from the top, what I will see? I will see this square, I will see this square and this one. These two lines will coincide. This one will be seen to me, and then I will see this figure. So here is this line here, this is this one, and this is this one, and this is the. Similarly, when you will see from this direction, you will able to see this one and this line. These two lines will coincide. So here 1, 2 line on the top, and then this L structure where you see C there. See this line is this line, and this line is the top one. These two lines will coincide, and you will be able to see this is the C. When I will see from the D, this face will be visible, this face, but this still not be visible. Simply dotted line is there. Since this is not visible, here this dotted line is there. With the dotted line, I may not be able to completely define what type of object is from that side. Dotted line means one edge is there which is not visible. Whether what type of that edge is, it may be a curve also. It may be a curve also. but in projection it will be a straight line. In place of this one, if I draw this object like this, let's say here the cut is there on the surface itself. In the view, it will be a straight line. Whether it is, so that's why unless I able to see this face from here, I mean from D, this image is saying that something is there. Whether it is a straight or curve, it is not clear from this side figure. Is it possible or not? See, let's make here in place of this edge, talk about this edge. Here, it has been cut from here and a D is there. It is a groove is there. Or let's say here semicircle is in place of some line here, it is a semicircle. But at the time of seeing the object, you will see straight line. And this information is not complete. So that's why here I will go, but at the same time you can ask me, you can tell me that since B, when I will join B, V, and when I will read B and D, since B it is a straight line, in case of curve it could have been visible here. One can ask, one can tell, you could have told me that no sir, since it is B, this is a straight line, so I can assume that one can confirm that there is no curve or there is no curvature, it is a straight line, because here it is a straight line. In B, this line is this line, and it is a straight line, so one can see that it is here, this one is correct. So sometimes, of course, it is a very simple object, and so we do not have any much difficulty in defining or getting the actual shape, but it might be sometimes it gives you a problem, and so we should learn sufficient enough. We had to have learning capacity that much that I can read that when I will join D, D, B, and E, what will be the object? When I will join E, A, B, what will be the object? With the combination of B, E, and A. A is this side. This is your front view, A. B is your top view, and E. No, E cannot be, then C, I have to, C and F can be the side view. So this is our objective. Either this is available to me, I have to get this one, or these are available to me from this one, I have to get back to this one. This is our objective of our engineering drawing. So for this also, I have given you some sheet. We will discuss some of the figures here right now, and then we will see. Okay, I'm coming to next slide. So stops for the ignorant stops there, and then it is like this. And then, so desktop. Oh, sorry. These are some 3D objects, and these objects are to be converted into 2D object, or orthographic projection of these objects are required to be made. So now, just for few minutes, this picture is with you. All of you, please show me the top view, front view, and side view of this object, and then I will draw the picture is available with you. Please, on your rough book, you show me the top view, front view, and side view of this object. I am not interested in getting the exact shape, but you just, all of you, I have already sent this problem sheet.
Sir,
Huh?
so since everyone today has computers and touchscreen mobiles available, why don't we make 3D models as the industrial standard instead of still using 2D?
Okay. So you want to have, okay, that I do, but I will do in the next class. First, you have, for the sake of practice, these are the geometry. This is 3D geometry, yeah. All this is a 3D.
No,
One
sir, I'm
dimension.
saying that in industrial level, why do we
Ah.
need to even share 2D drawings when we can just pass on the 3D drawings and someone
No,
can view it
no,
in
no,
their
no,
computers?
no, no. 2D drawing is essential.
So how?
This information, this one is, it is not giving you the complete information. Here, just you'll, okay, fine. This is the red. Let's say this side one hole is there. Are you able to see?
So because this is a
But in
picture, not
3D
a
we
3D
can change
model.
view camera.
It is 3D view. It is pictorial view.
Sir, I'm
Let's say
saying 3D model.
until in one, see what, let me see, with one orientation, it is not possible to define the object completely. Whether it is, I mean, whatever the type of 3D model you have, with the given, or if simplicity, if the given object is, you can say, what I should say, symmetry, then it is fine. In any position, image will be, but if the object is not symmetry, in each and every surface or faces, there are certain ribs and cuts, then your pictorial view, one 3D view is not sufficient. You are required to have 4 or 5 feet 3D view.
But I can rotate the 3D model. No,
Yeah,
in
you can
computer.
rotate. That definitely you can rotate. But see, just you imagine that the worker view is working at the lathe, has that much ability.
We just need a viewing program, no?
Being a designer, you can find, for you it is a very easy task. But a person who is operating the lathe, he doesn't have that much skill. Huh. Okay.
And sir, one more point is that the worker who is using the lathe machine has been trained in his
Yeah,
degree
he's trained in
about
operating.
using 2D.
He is trained in operating the machine.
No, sir. He has been trained to
Read 2D
interpret the
man.
2D pictures.
Yeah.
So if he was trained to interpret the 3D models on a computer, then he would have done it now.
So he will not, he will not be an operator. Then he will be a design engineer like you.
But he doesn't.
Huh?
So interpretation and making are different things.
Yeah,
now.
yeah. So as far as it is, I mean, interpretation is not so easy that anybody can read the drawing. It is not so easy of reading the drawing. That will be the. So okay, just the 4 figures are there. Now I'm coming back to you. This one, you show me answer of this one. Just 1 minute. Rasab, I'm in class here. I'm in class. 1 to 2 class is there. Yes, show me the drawing. Anybody? Show me the answer of some of the figures.
Sir, can you put the question on the screen again?
Oh, again? It
Yes,
is
sir.
in your mail.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
First one done.
Ayush, once you have told so.
yes,
Ayush,
sir.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
That time you have showed just once again you. Yeah. Hold it. Be some more light is sometimes it is visible, sometimes it is not visible. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes it is quite very clear, and sometimes it is. Okay. So why no? This figure is not. Perhaps it is not correct. This one. This is your side view. This is your
Yes, sir.
front
Right.
view. This
Yes,
is
sir.
your
And
front view. So top view and front view will just, is it? This will be
Yes,
the
sir.
side view. So this is your front view. So top view will be just below, na? This is top view and side view cannot be just one above the other, na? In this
Sir,
problem,
front view
this is,
and bottom is top view.
huh? So this is the side
Yes,
view.
sir.
This is side view, huh? Front view. This is the front or side. Front view.
Right
This
one,
is your
sir.
front view. Oh, this is your
Yes,
front
sir.
view,
Left
perhaps.
wala. Yes,
हाँ.
sir. And
So the
bottom is
front.
top view.
तो बेटा फ्रंट व्यू के नीचे टॉप व्यू रहेगा ना.
तो अभी वैसे ही है सर, नीचे है टॉप व्यू, जो थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट समझ सकते हैं.
अच्छा चलो. ओके ओके चलो ठीक. वट एवर
Yes, sir.
आई विल कम बैक टू. ओके. So, see, as I earlier I said that I should consider just now your figure only. I mean, I use front view. You have to see from this side. This will be the side view. What you have made. Front view is this one. Maximum detail is visible from this side. So this will be front view. This will be side view. And then this can be the top view. So as far as is concerned, okay, now you will, you people will correct me. I will try to draw that one. So in the front view, you will see the entire strip. What you have done, you have make it this one as a it is here. I mean, this one is little bit lower. So from here, and then I have to show this line, these lines. This line will be visible. So here, this is your one image. When you will draw its top view, in the top view, what you will see one rectangle, this one, and these rectangles. One rectangle, and you can say T shape. This one a horizontal, and then these two will be the vertical. So here, same thing just above this one. So this is this one, and then three rectangle, 1, 2, and 3. So from the center, first you draw the this is this one, and just one is smaller than this one. So and this should be
सर वो साइड में एजेस में तो मतलब ओवरलैप करेगा।
जस्ट 1 मिनट, 1 मिनट बेटा, मुझको जरा 1 मिनट। ये ज्वाइन हो जाएगा। हाँ, क्या बता रहे थे बेटा, क्या होगा? हाँ, ये अच्छा, ये तुम कर राइट, ये एज वहां से होगा, करेक्ट। दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टोल्ड ना, यू फाइन, दिस वाज आई एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम यू। सो इट शुड बी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर इटसेल्फ। So this will be, you are correct. This line should start from here and from that side. So this line will start from here. This line will also start from here, and it should be joined. Then what I have to do for this one, you draw any line here, you just transfer all these lines there. These are, and similarly you transfer from this line from and then you will get this point here. So here you have I'm not measured the dimension, but as far as the look is concerned, this will be your all the three view of the given object. This fine. Already some two students, I mean both of you have shown the correct answer. Now just we should go see another question. Okay, you tell me what will happen in this case. I mean in figure 3. Just you imagine, tell me what will be the front view of the figure 3.
So T shape.
Front view of the T shape, okay. So rectangle or circle?
Rectangular.
Rectangle.
Is it something like this or something else? You want to tell this one or something else? Yeah, tell me.
Sir,
T is there.
circle नहीं हो सकता?
So yes, so this one.
Is it right?
Sir,
Ah,
sir front view दो circle नहीं हो सकता?
साइड व्यू होगा ना वो।
सर साइड
view
और
होगा सर।
फ्रंट वो कैसे डिसाइड कर सकते हैं?
हैं?
साइड और फ्रंट
हाँ, साइड व्यू और इसका डिसाइड करने का ये तरीका है। एक तो सिंपल सी चीज है, until unless it is not specified, observer is situated right side at infinite distance. Until unless it is not specified, the first principle is object is situated from the infinite, I mean right direction, and so this is the front view. We are looking from here.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, until unless it is not specified. And now this will be the side view. So इसका टॉप व्यू और ये दोनों एक ही होगा, ऑलमोस्ट सेम. टॉप व्यू as well as front view will remain same. What will be its side view? साइड व्यू क्या होगा इसका? फिगर नंबर 3 का साइड व्यू क्या होगा?
Concentric circles.
Two concentric circles.
Right. 2 circles, fine. So one circle will be of this diameter. So one circle is and another circle is okay. Now the question is whether this side view is true for any I mean all the cases without if it is it independent of the orientation?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
the
sir.
side view. Is it independent of the orientation?
Yes, sir.
All of you are same?
अच्छा दूसरे साइड में तो छोटा वाला तो
दूसरे
हाइट हो
साइड में एक
जाएगा.
सर्कल आ गया.
हाँ, बोलो क्या होगा दूसरे साइड में? अगर
छोटा
if
वाला
I will
height हो
see from
जाएगा.
the if I will see from this side, then it is correct. If I will see from that side, then a smaller circle will be dotted.
Dotted.
A smaller circle will be dotted. This one side view is this one. Another side view of this object will be this one. If I look this object from that side, this circle is visible. It is not visible. So this will be dotted. Is it true or not?
True, sir.
So in the drawing, always that particular object is with this particular orientation, and that's why direction is also fixed. Until unless it is not specified, I have to see the object. The very first principle is maximum detail should be visible in your drawing. If in the top view and front view, you have to choose front view in such a fashion that maximum detail of the object should be visible in that particular. Now
सर तो इसमें दोनों साइड व्यू दिखाएंगे कि एक साइड व्यू
नहीं,
दिखाएंगे?
एक दिखाएंगे.
सर अगर सेम है जैसे टॉप व्यू और फ्रंट व्यू यहाँ पर तो उसको
हाँ.
दिखाएंगे कि नहीं या फिर दिखा भी देंगे उसको भी?
दिखा सकते हैं. Otherwise one can write that this top view front view will remain like this only. One can write here one front view and top side view is there. Here I can write top view and front view are identical. Top view and front view of this geometry are identical. I can write that.
Yes, sir.
Then next figure is there. Now you tell me what will be its top view and front view. The front view is here. If it is not, always I said here, see, in this case direction is given. So this will be the front view. It is given here. If it is not given, the first characteristic is it has to be from the right side. So you have to see from here. One second is maximum details should be visible. So in this figure, maximum detail is visible from this side itself, because when I will see from this side, this one is not visible. These portions are not, only these portions are visible. So only one half of this one is visible, whereas in the front view, maximum portion of this one is visible, this one is visible. So this will be the front view. So what I have to do, if the front view is, what will be the front view here? This rectangle and this circle. In front view, you will see this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this circle. This circle will be not visible here, so this dotted line will be here and here. In the top view, one rectangle, the rectangle dimension of rectangle is from here to here, this one, and on that rectangle, these two holes will be there. In the top view, this rectangle, this will be a straight line. Sorry. This will be a straight line from here to here. Second is second on this one. Third line, fourth line. Rectangle complete. And on the center of the rectangle, one circle this one circle this one. When I will come for the side view, I will see this rectangle and this one will coincide with this one. So one a small rectangle, this one, and one another rectangle will be this one. So if I draw its side view, front view, then front view of this figure will be one straight line, and then another, this one, this one, this one, from here, and then we will show and from here your circle will start, or you can say in between here you can draw this a small circle, this one a small circle will be drawn, and then one big circle. Oh. And then here, whole of that, it is here also you can draw this axis. This will be your front view. As far as top view is concerned, one is this one, another is this one. Then from the center, I have to draw this line, this line, this line, and in this, for this line, small circle. If you wish, you can draw its center line also. And then see here, one small hole is there to, I mean, it is a part of a bearing, casing of a bearing. This is along here, bearing will be there. This is also, so from here, while hole is there. So this will be also visible in the top view. So here, this will be a small circle here, which was not visible in the front view, but top view, this is small hole is there. Now in the side view, and the center line will be visible. If you wish, you can draw it the center line. From here also, we use axis, you can represent the axis. So why front view is this one? If you, let's say, why I have assumed that now just compare these two figures. In comparing these two figures, definitely more information is available here. And so that will be, just now someone has asked, why, how I will assume that this is my front view. Now you compare these two figures. The information available in this one is more than this one. So this is the front view and this is the side view. This is the solution of your figure number 5. If I draw figure number 6, in figure number 6, already direction of front view is given. So in the front view, what you will see? In the front view, you will see this edge, and this Y section. This one, this one, this one, this one, and then, so this Y section here, start from here, this line, this straight line, then this curved line, then the slit of the key, here key will be there, this is there, and this inclined line, this one, and this one. So in the front view, we'll see these are the cases. So in the front view, if I draw its a front view, this is your XY. Front view will be, you start into a straight line, complete a straight line here, and then this line, then this line from here up to here, and then this line, little bit a straight one here, a straight, and then this curve will here, curve is there, and then a straight line for key. This is a straight line up to here, it is the this is a straight line, and again now this curvature will be there, identical up to here, and then a straight line, it will come down up to here, it is like this, and from here it has to be joined. This is the front view. If I will draw the top view, in the top view, what will happen? In the top view, I will see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rectangles will be visible. So you copy this one from here itself. Your one dimension is this one. This one, this is outer one. And now you go on drawing all those rectangles. So in the top view, this first, this rectangle, second, and in place of this one is this one, this. So you just, this is a flank from here. This is flank. And then second rectangle is this one, this one. Whatever a straight figure is there from here to here. Then this one here. After that, you will see this is this slope. So here it is a U. So you will see this line and one line already this one. Then this is third. This is your next line. This one here. This line and this line. So from here now. This one. And then this is smooth, this is key. And again now these two. So if I try to write which rectangle is representing, this is first. This is second. This is second. And from here to here it is third. And this is fourth, key. This is fourth. This is fifth. This is seventh, sixth, and this is seven. Similarly, you can name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. These 7 rectangles are visible to you. When you will draw its side view, you will see you start from here, one rectangle, then this rectangle, and now tell me which one will be here. You will see this you can say a portion of this one will be visible, or you can, it's fine. So here now you will draw this one from here to here, one dimension, just as usual. Sorry. So you draw this one, and now first you take this one, then this one, you see here, this part of this one will be, and you just see the top view, join the top view. So here one line is this is, so one line is this one, and let me remove this one. Now here. So one portion, one edge of along this will be also have to be drawn. When I will see the side, this due to this inclination, this is also, this will be represented. So here, this is also black. Let me choose this one and this one. So the final figure here is
Sir,
ah
sir,
yes sir.
if the object is symmetrical, we can draw the side view either to the left or to the right.
Yeah. Correct. Yes. You do that. Definitely, you will do that. When object is symmetry, I can do that. You have that freedom.
And when it is not symmetrical, we need to draw two side views.
Yeah. Definitely.
Okay.
So this is your answer for the figure number 6. So like this, all the we have seen bolo.
We're in the side view of this question 6.1. So why you have drawn one line, so the third line from the bottom?
So it is representing this one.
So, but that won't be visible.
See, due to this slope here, you see from here, a part of this one will be visible. Or you can say, okay, you just represent them dotted line.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can do that. It shall be dotted line, but okay, you can do that. No issue. But see, if you will see, I mean, here, it is assumed due to this angle, this curvature, it is assumed that it should be visible. अगर ये straight होता तो नहीं दिखता, तो वो दोनों correct होगा वहाँ.
Okay, sir.
As far as your assumption is concerned, you are telling that it is not visible, so you mean to say this will be. Now this one is representing this part only. This line. This line is there, so this line is representing this one. Key, slot. So 6 figures are there. Here, just we have seen, we have drawn 1, 2, 3. This figure we have drawn, this figure we have drawn, and then we have drawn this one. So 4 out of 6, 4 we have drawn. You are requested to, I mean, you are required to draw all the 6 figures. This one and this one we have not touched today, but you will do that also. So this is for the today's class. Now, if people be ready, then we will take next week also. If you are not ready to attend the class in next week because your exam is on schedule, I mean, the next week exam is also there. So this will be the syllabus for your question, I mean, end semester examination. Next, if we will attend the class, whatever we will discuss in the class, that will not be the part of our examination. But till date, whatever we have discussed, this will be the part of your examinations. This okay, fine.
सर्कल में फाई जो रहता है तो वो रेडियस डायमीटर को रिप्रेजेंट करता है सर. फाई
हाँ yeah, okay, this one you telling now. Okay, wherever, sorry, just 1 minute. Wherever this figure is there, let's say here it is. Wherever this is reached, it is diameter. You want to ask this one, Lina?
Yes, sir.
So this is diameter, of course. Anything else you want to ask? If not, then fine enough. Then all the best. And
thank you, sir.
And you should submit your. And any day, anytime, I am ready for any sort of clarification for you people. Anytime you can ask me anything. With respect to your drawing, I'm always ready to discuss with you. And if you people will ready to engage the class, then I can engage next week also, as you wish. Okay? Then I'm going to stop. Thank you very much. I'm thankful for the cooperation you people have shown.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.